vegetables. Did you see that? Is it a mouse? Shoo, shoo, shoo! I'm scared of mouses. Please help me. Shoo, shoo! Can you help me? I'm scared of mouses. Okay, I need to be great. Shoot! Mouse, I hate it. I didn't eat any fruits and vegetables. I want some fruits and vegetables. I didn't eat any fruits, vegetables any day. I want to eat some fruits and vegetables. Give me fruits and vegetables. Okay. I will give you fruits and vegetables, but don't make me scared of your face. Okay, I will be friendly. I'm not mean. Okay, stand there. I will fix the mess. Then you can have some fruits and vegetables. Okay, guys. Now we need to cut some fruits and vegetables, or the mouse will stay here. So we need to fix this place. It's okay. Oh, so now let's put those pieces. Oh, my puppet. Mousy, you can stay there. And look how I got a puppet. Wow, I want to pop them. But I'm very hungry. First, give me food. Okay, fine. I will give you food. But don't make me scared of your angry face. Okay, I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm not scared of you. Okay, I'm a little scared of you. Okay, now let's choose a chopper board. Let's choose this chopper board. It's yellow and orange. It's I don't know what is this. Okay, you can sit over there, and I can cut the fruit and vegetables easily if this is here. Okay, the fruits and vegetables will cut in 10 minutes. I'm hungry. Stop talking and do this. But very sorry. I want to eat fast. Okay, I will start cutting. Sorry. Always I get a little angry. I know. And I am scared of you. Oh, stop telling that and start doing cutting. Okay. Okay, let me get my knife. My hands are shaking. I'm so scared. Okay, so be brave. Okay, let's start cutting. First, let's cut the guava. Okay, let's cut it. Guava is fresh. Look at it. Eat yesterday. 1 week ago, I ate some guava. It's delicious and sweet. Sorry, I said hello. Okay, now we are done cutting the guava. Okay, now let's cut something else. Fast. Okay, if I cut already the guava, you can taste it. I want more. It's not bad. All. Okay, now let's cut the grape. Okay. So, First we pick it like this, then we cut it like this. Okay, fine, you can have some. Just don't do that. Fine. Yummy. Thank you. You're welcome. I like this job. Okay, now let's cut the banana. Okay. The banana is yellow and it's like I'm just kidding. The banana is yellow and it's very tall. The tallest fruit, like a giraffe. You can have it. Okay, you have enough. Which one do you want? You can eat it because you don't need to eat everything. Fine. It just rolled over here. Wow, it's a vegetable, but it's raw. That's why we need to cook it. That's why he cannot eat it. Oh, Mousy, don't be scared. Be sad. I cannot give you rush because it is Baruda. I was just kidding. I just like to say this. Okay, now let's just cut the vegetables. Okay, now let's cut the pineapple. Here is it. Did you hear that? It broke. What is a piece? It's not a pineapple. Let's see what's inside. Is it a fox? We found a fox. I'm scared of fox. Okay, let's throw it out. Oops. And this one too. It's rocks. I think there's more. But I will open those in the next video, not this video. If you like and subscribe, okay? The next will be pineapple. Let's cut it. Inside there is no mystery. Let's find some mysteries inside the boxes. Now, let's see which one. I think it's here. Is it? No? Let's open it just see. Is it there? Oh, you're right. There's no empty place to put it. So let's put the vegetable over there. So the next will be got this one. Yeah. Okay, twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. It's not time for just singing. It's time to cut fruits and vegetables. Okay, the next will be tomato. A fruit. Oh. It's not vegetable, you all know. It's a fruit. Okay? Remember that it's a fruit. Let's see. Is there any more mystery? Oh! It's another one. Let's check. Is it in there? Aha! It's not there. Let's try the watermelon. You want to eat it, Mercy? Yes, watermelon, I want it. That was delicious. It's delicious. I know watermelon is a sweet fruit, that's why it's delicious. Now let's cut the carrot out. Carrot is healthy. Do you want it? Do you want it? No, I ate too much vegetable. You didn't eat too much vegetable. So stand here and eat it. Okay. Okay. Now, please be a fruit. Please be a fruit. Now let's cut. I know it will be a fruit. Broccoli. What? Why? I don't want. Okay, you don't need to eat too much because you already eat too much vegetables. So, let's cut the broccoli. I will cut the broccoli for nothing. Just for fun. Oh, the next one will be a pepper. So let's cut it. Yay! We cut the pepper. Okay, let's put it here. Okay. We're done. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you soon. Oops.